Hello Capricorns, welcome to my channel Dream Tarot. Hope you are doing good. This is your December month reading, and this will be a different spread. I will take messages for first 10 days, middle 10 days, and last 10 days of December. And this will be a general message. It may resonate you or may not. Please take those messages, what resonates you, and leave the rest. So let's start your reading. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. So first 10 days, Capricorn, you are having 10 of Cups. So you are feeling emotionally fulfilled in first 10 days, or maybe you are just celebrating something, some kind of event you are celebrating, and maybe this is your celebration, or maybe engagement, maybe marriage, or it can be any kind of celebration you are attending. Maybe you are attending someone else's marriage, so you are very much, if it's not a celebration, it's not occasion, you are just feeling within yourself emotionally fulfilled. So what I have clarified this 10 of cup with these three cards. 7 of cup, you are very much confused about this connection. You are confused, or maybe after a lot of confusion from so many connections, you have decided to have one connection in your life, but you are maybe regretting, and you are in a fight with someone, and you are confused about this. Or maybe if it's a person who you admire a lot, there are a lot of suitors around them. They also want them. That's why you're very much confused, and you're just on emotionally drained, that this person, how you can get this person with whom you are having a soulmate connection. So or maybe you are attending a someone else marriage, where maybe this person, you are attending a marriage of the person with whom you were in a connection before. So this can be a disappointment for you, or it's like that. If it's a marriage, you are facing a lot of fights, regrets, and confusion in your existing connection in the first 10 days of December, Capricorns. So in the middle 10 days, you are having 9 of pentacle. You are just um, you just want to spend some time for yourself. Maybe you are just taking time off from this connection. You're just breaking apart from this person for some time, because you cannot handle this situation. You cannot handle. So you have decided that you need to be separate for some time from this relationship. So what I have clarified with this 9 of pentacle is 7 of pentacle. Yes, you want the result of your hard work, whatever you have done for this relationship. You have put a lot of energy in this connection, and now you are waiting for your results, and you want reconciliation from this person after breaking apart. Now you are waiting for the reconciliation. You are waiting from the new start, new beginning from this person in the middle 10 days of December. In the last 10 days of December, it is a someone who maybe who's a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or can be prominent in end of the month, or it can be you. Like, this is your energy, Capricorn, that you are taking bold action for yourself. Like, you are taking charge and of your life, and you are taking action for yourself. Or maybe I have clarified with these two cards, Five of Swords and Two of Swords. So you want to take action regarding this non-stoppable fight, or this kind of this manipulation, whatever fight you are having with your person, and whatever this indecisiveness you are you want to come out from this situation, and you want to take a charge about this situation. You want to take some kind of decision, some kind of action in this regard. So maybe your ego is coming. Your ego is your ego is overcoming your thoughts. So that's why you are not able to come out from this thing. But you need to take action in the end of the month, or maybe you are taking action to come out from this situation. So Capricorn, that was your reading. If it resonates you, please let me confirm in a comment below. Like my video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.